Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring both devices share the same Wi-Fi and the laptop runs an AirPlay receiver. Install and launch the receiver app now, then allow any firewall or microphone/screen permissions the app requests. Once done, give the receiver a clear name so you can find it quickly on your iPhone. Make sure the laptop's Wi-Fi is active and not using a VPN. This initial setup gets the devices visible to one another and prepares the AirPlay handshake you'll initiate from the phone. Now perform the actual connection. Swipe to open Control Center on your iPhone, tap Screen Mirroring, and select the receiver name you set on the laptop. If the receiver shows a code, type it on the iPhone to pair. This prevents random connections. After linking, check the receiver app's options for full screen mode, resolution scaling, and audio routing so sound goes to your laptop speakers. Make sure the laptop stays awake. Change power settings if necessary. Once mirrored, you can stream video, present slides, or demo apps with low latency. To end the session, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring or simply close the receiver app on the laptop. That cleanly releases AirPlay. If you want to save the session, use the receiver app's record feature or take a laptop screenshot. If mirroring fails, first verify both devices are on the same network, disable any VPNs, and restart the receiver app and Wi-Fi on both devices. Also check Windows, firewall, and update Wi-Fi drivers. Most issues trace back to network isolation or blocked ports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.